Lord, give me strength today. Help me not to be tired in my heart.
Guys, you're still not done?
I woke up very early. I've been working since.
You need to be faster. I can't be late every day. This food is getting cold.
I'm bringing it now.
This is your responsibility. Do it well.
From morning till night, I don't even rest.
I just got back. The traffic today and the children were stressing me.
Okay, go and warm my food.
I just entered the house, Chinedu.
So, I've been waiting since...
You've been here since morning. You couldn't even help with anything?
I said I was resting.
God, is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same suffering. See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing. What are they doing that I'm not doing? What is wrong with me?
Amara, why are you still in that village? You're wasting your life.
I've been thinking about you. How is Lagos? Lagos is money. Lagos is life.
If you're serious, come. I will help you.
I'm coming. I can't continue like this. Sir, I have been looking for you. I needed to see you face to face to say thank you, what you did for my daughter Nabate.
Please, madam, it's okay. You don't have to stress yourself.
No, sir, I have to. Do you know what it means for a child to be sent home because of school fees? She was crying every day, every single day. And then suddenly you came, you paid everything.
God provided, I only shared it.
Men like you are very rare in this country. Ha! Almost impossible.
Let us pray for this man. He is a blessing to this generation. May God continue to enlarge your coast. May you never lack anything.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, just give mommy a minute.
Mommy, is there rice?
I'm checking.
What if I tell you that this movie you just watched was created by AI? No camera, no actors, no locations. But wait, it gets crazier. Every character you're seeing will remain the same from beginning to the end. Same face, different clothes, different scenes, and even talking with perfect lip sync. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own AI movie from scratch to finish. This is not just a tutorial. This right here is a skill that can make you money. Creating videos like this alone can grow your YouTube channel very fast and put you ahead of 95% of creators right now. Because the truth is this, many people creating AI videos today are doing it wrong. They can't keep consistent characters, their videos look fake, no emotions, no storytelling, and that's why they don't go viral. And at the end of this video, you're going to learn how to create AI videos with consistent characters. You're going to learn how to create AI characters that will not change face. You're going to learn how to make them wear different clothes for different scenes. You're going to learn how to turn simple images into a full movie. And you're going to learn a story structure that keeps people watching to the very end. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need to show your face. And you don't need to be a professional editor. You can create something like this.
So guys, this is actually going to be very fun and interesting, okay? Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to make an AI movie, so first of all, have a movie idea. Just look at things happening around you. You can always get idea from anything. And if you don't have an idea, you can always go to AI. Of course, ChatGPT, every one of us knows ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT you want to do a movie, a dialogue movie, and you want an idea. ChatGPT is willing to give you a lot of ideas. I have a master prompt in my description box, which is what you are currently looking at right now, and I'm going to read it out to you. This is a master prompt I used to come up with this movie. Okay, with the master prompt, it has everything you need. All you need to do is to just copy the master prompt and send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to do the needed work. Now, after the story idea, the next thing ChatGPT is going to do is to come up with image ideas. ChatGPT is going to give you master images, and when we talk about master images, we're talking about images of all the central characters involved. And from those images, you're now going to be using it to create their variations, where they're putting on different clothes. If you want them to put on different hairstyles, different shoes, and whatever, and then the different scenes they are. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video, and everything is going to be as simple as possible. Then after creating the central scenes, ChatGPT is also going to give you image scene for all the scenes. Okay, you also create different images for all the scenes that are involved. The scene where, for instance, now my own story is about a village girl that is desiring to have the things of the world. She's attracted to social media. She later travels to Lagos after all warnings and all of that, and then she regretted and came back. Okay, so actually have all my images, but so I'm going to also be creating some of those images in order to teach you how to do yours, right? Okay, so I have images for all of those things, where she was trapped, where she was talking to her friend in the village that she wants to travel to Lagos, where her mom was advising her not to go, all of those ideas. But then, so this is basically the prompt. Okay, now it says, I want you to act as a professional Hollywood and Nollywood movie scriptwriter, cinematic storyteller, and AI video production expert. Help me create a complete AI generated movie that I can produce using AI tools like Grok AI for image. Yes, for me, I'm going to be working with Grok AI. I love Grok AI. Everybody loves Grok AI. Now, I know that Grok AI is not paid, but the truth is, you really want to thrive in this AI world, you just have to learn to, buy your own tools. At least there are tools that are very, very cheap, tools that will actually help you to have a good workflow without you stressing yourself. Of course, there are a lot of free tools out there. I've also discussed some of them in my YouTube channel. There are a lot of free tools out there, but trust me, those free tools are going to stress you. They are going to waste your time. See, try and buy tools. Okay, for me, I'm working with Grok AI because Grok AI is easy, smooth. It has everything I need. I don't need to start jumping from one tool to another. It can create my images, it can create my my video, animate them, everything I want. It's even going to give you different clothing ideas, different scene ideas, and you just have to pick, right? And now I also have a video where you can get Grok AI for as low as 3,000 naira. Okay, 7,000 naira depending on the package you want, right? Instead of paying the normal 48,000 naira. So it's actually worth it. Now this is my story idea. My prompt also has my story idea, so you can also use my own story idea, but then it doesn't have to be copy and paste. Just change your own. Okay, now my story idea is a young Nigerian village girl who is desperate to blow and live a soft life. She constantly compares herself to girls living luxurious lifestyles online. Despite serious warnings from her mother and close friend, she travels to Lagos after being invited by a friend who promises her a better life. Unknown to her, the girls she admires are involved in dangerous and questionable activities. She gets exposed to this lifestyle, almost gets trapped, but eventually realizes the danger, escapes, and returns home with regrets and a powerful life lessons. Now, the next one is now generate the following movie title options. Yes, ChatGPT is going to give you movie title options in case you want to post it on whatever you want to post it to easily attract views. Okay, it's going to give you more. Okay, generate movie title options, give multiple emotional, curiosity-driven Nollywood style titles, character list, very detailed for each character, include, now I have up to 7 characters in this movie, include their name, age, physical appearance, very detailed for consistency, skin tone, facial features, hairstyles, body type, personality, dressing style. Okay, now important, all female characters must wear modest clothing. Yes, I actually gave ChatGPT. See, one thing about AI is that AI cannot think for you. Okay, let me say AI will give you results, but it may not give you the result you want, so you have to feed it very well with its prompt. Now, one thing about movies like this is, especially when it comes to the city girl aspect, AI can actually give you people that are not putting on dresses, people that are indecently dressed. And for someone like me, I value modesty, I value decency. Now, I made sure I told ChatGPT to include that all my female characters must wear modest dressing, so that when I'm generating, they will not come and give me people that are not putting on clothes, okay, which is against my belief, right? So whatever you want, just tell ChatGPT. Okay, now I said they should wear round neck blouse or round neck dress. Now, if you understand round neck dresses, it will not expose your cleavages and all of that, so that's why I insisted they should give me round neck blouses. Okay, now dresses must cover below the knees, no revealing or exposed body parts. I also gave ChatGPT all these instructions. Now, village characters must wear modest round neck, blah blah blah, round neck. Now, Now, number 3, character image prompt. Individual. Generate ultra realistic cinematic prompt for each character. Ensure consistent identity across all prompts. Character variation. Show each character in village outfit, casual outfit, Lagos outfit, emotional scene outfit. Use same character as previously described to maintain consistency. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all of this while we're generating our images. Okay, now full scene by scene. Now this prompt is there so we don't waste our time. Okay, and I told it dialogue only, no voice over. All these things are there. Now it now says, make this movie feel like a viral Nollywood drama that teaches a strong life lesson. Good. Every movie you're creating must have a lesson. Don't just create a movie and then there's no lesson it is passing. Okay, it is that lesson that will make people to share your video. Just copy this prompt, paste it on ChatGPT, and your work have started. Once you paste this prompt, ChatGPT is going to give you image characters. It's going to give you image prompts. Now, I pasted the prompt in ChatGPT. Like I said, paste the prompt in ChatGPT. I pasted the prompt in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT came up with character prompts, modest and consistent. Now, you see all the character prompts that ChatGPT gave me. Central character prompts, like I said, you're going to have central character prompts. It gave me central character prompt that I can use to create my images. All I need to do is to copy each of them. Now, this one is Amara, which is the main character. This is one I'm going to start with. Mama Amara, okay? Ngozi, that's her village friend. Then Sophia, Lagos friend, I actually called her to come to the city. Now this is Tunde, this is Blessing, this is Anita. Okay, now this is character variations, modest outfits. ChatGPT is going to give you all this one. Even if it doesn't give you, tell it to give you. But then the prompt covers everything. See, even if you send the prompt, it may actually give you some things you're not comfortable with. Like I said, give it instructions. After that, first of all, we created all the scenes one by one. Each of the characters were standing alone, right, in the pictures. And then we now have combined characters where 2 to 3 people are talking together, or 2 to 4 people, or 2 to 5 people are talking together. That is what you call combined character. Tell ChatGPT to give you combined characters where you have 2 people talking together, 3 people talking together. Now this is my combined character, and in this first combined character we have Amara plus Mama, where the mom was warning her not to go to Lagos. Okay, now it says, same Amara as previously described, wearing a modest round neck blouse and long skirt, standing inside a simple village room. Same blah blah blah. ChatGPT is going to describe all this thing. You just to copy and paste. Okay, now here we have Amara plus Ngozi, where Amara was telling the friend that she want to go to Lagos and all of that. His friend was also advising her. Now we have Amara plus Sophia. Now, where all the things that they're saying called dialogue, ChatGPT is also going to give it to us. And then we'll just use all these images to be, creating them. But let's start from our first image prompt, okay? Now that we've gotten all these prompts, what we need to do is to go and create our prompts. Let me show you my gallery. I've actually created all these images, okay? So you can see I already have all my images for this video. Okay, I have all my images for this video, but then for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to create at least 1 or 2 images. I'm going to create 1 central images and then 1 combined images, so that you can see how it is done, because it is a skill, guys. It is a skill. Okay, so let's assume we want to create the main character Amara. So I'm just going to copy. Now when ChatGPT is giving you all these things, tell ChatGPT to put them in a copy code. Copy code means that it's going to be in a box like this, and there's going to be a copy icon here. All you need to do is to just tap on the copy instead of you highlighting everything. I need to waste your time. Just tell ChatGPT to put whatever it is sending to you in a copy code. Okay, so I've just copied this one now. I've just copied this one now. Like I said, I'm going to be making use of our amazing Grok AI. So I'll just go to Grok. You can use the app. If you don't have Grok AI, you can download Grok AI in your Play Store, Apple Store, or you go to the website. Okay, the website is this. Go to Google and search for Grok. Search for Grok AI. Okay, come down here, this second one, this is Grok AI here. Now once you come to Grok AI, this is what the interface looks like. You have Ask, you have Imagine. Under the Ask section, you have create videos in case you want to create videos from text. Now you tap on this place. We are going to be creating what we are going to be working with the imaging and then the edit images as well. So you have the edit image and all of that. So you want to create an image, right? Tap on edit image. Now once you tap on edit image, you tap on type to imagine. So you paste your prompt. You paste your prompt and then you generate. So it's literally going to give you different images of your choice. If you don't like the image, adjust your prompt. Inside the image now, if you don't like the clothes that it has given to you, all you need to do is to come back to the same process again, input your prompt, then inside this prompt adjust it. You can say ultra realistic young Nigerian woman named Amara, age 22, slim body, oval face. Then you will now write putting on a red dress. Okay, you hit generate again. You see, you see what I'm talking about. Now once you say putting on a red dress, you see the one he gave us before. Once you say putting on a red dress, you can see the different type of clothes. Some are not covered and all of that. So you need to be specific. Tell it to give you a round neck. Okay, a round neck, so that you can get something like this. Okay, so that is it. If you want it to be fair in complexion, you want it to be dark in complexion, chocolate in complexion, caramel, all of that, you just tell it. Okay, so once you get the picture, let's assume this is the one you want. You tap on it, you come down here on this download icon, you click on it. You see download started. Now once it is downloaded, check your gallery. It is in your gallery. This is how you get your images that are single. Images that are single. Now if you now want to get an image where you have combined characters, like an image where Amara and her mother is talking, or image where the Amara is in Lagos and then she's with the Sophia and the rest of them, all you need to do is to go back to ChatGPT and copy prompt where characters are together. Combined characters. Let's go down. I talked about combined characters. Okay, I talked about combined characters. Now here we have a combined character, Amara plus Mama. Okay, Amara plus Mama. These are two people. Okay, two people. I'm going to copy this one. Now the process of creating combined characters is different from the process of creating only one character. You go back entirely. Now if you want to create combined characters, all you need to do is to, you see this, normally when I did the first one, I just tapped here and then I imputed my prompts. Now if you now want to do combined characters, this is where consistency comes in. Now you want to change the clothes that Amara was putting on in the first one, right? The clothes will be changed, but the consistency in face, the hair has to be the same thing. And for that to be happen, you need to tap on this plus icon right here. Now once you tap on the plus icon right there, you are trying to select the previous image you made about Amara and the previous image you made about the mama. Remember, you must have made all your single images, the mama, this lady, the friend, and all other characters, and then you want to combine them together. So you follow this process. Tap on edit photos. Now once you tap on edit photos, it's going to bring you to the gallery. You can see I first of all made I started by making single photos. You see, I made a single photo of Amara, a single photo of the mother, a single photo of Tunde, a single photo of Blessing, Anita, and all of that. I even made a single photo of when she was going to Lagos. This is when she was going to Lagos. This is when she was in the lady Sophia's room. This is when she was alone. This is when Sophia was doing makeup. This is when they were together. This is when they were in the party. This is when she realized herself and she started running away back home. This is when she got back home and then was telling them everything she faced and all of that. This is when she was asking Sophia that she cannot do what they are doing and all of that. Okay, so now coming back now, so we want to create a combined image, right? Now let's combine the image of where she was going to Lagos and the image of when she got to Lagos. We're combining two characters together. You select the person, the people that are involved in that dialogue or in that conversation. I selected this, and then that is it. And if you want to select the one of, okay, let me select the image of Amara and her mother. Okay, you see this image of Amara and her mother that they are together. They were initially single. I combined this image and this image, and it gave me this one. Okay, let me do it again in your front. So I picked this, done. You can see they have appeared here, has been highlighted. So what I now need to do is to go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompts. What is happening in the prompts? Okay, it says same Amara as previously described, wearing a modest round neck blouse and long skirt, standing inside a simple village room. Same Mama Amara as previously described, wearing a round neck blouse and wrapper with headscarf, holding Amara's hand with a worried expression, emotional. This is where the mother was talking to her not to do what she wants to do. So just copy it and then paste it here. In the place they said type to make image, just paste it here. If you want to post a video on YouTube, on TikTok, YouTube has a 16:9 aspect ratio for long form videos, and it has a 9:16 aspect ratio for short form videos. Okay, so you must have set it from beginning. So all I need to do is to click on this place right here, the arrow up, and then my image will start generating. Okay, you're going to see what it's going to give us right now. I'm literally teaching you how to come up with your images. You can see, and I have two combined images, the same face, the same people, same clothes. Okay, if I want them now to give me different clothes of these two people, I will just come back again. I'll just come back to type to edit image. I will input my prompt again, and then I will now say they should be wearing different color of modest outfits, right? You can tell them Amara should be putting on white dress, the mother should be putting on black dress. Amara should be wearing head tie, the mother should be having a long hair. Anything you want, just do it. So this is just what I want. Hit send again, and it's going to start editing the image again. Okay, you can see now we are having two different dresses. Okay, so I'm just going to save this. After that, you just click on that download icon there and download it. This is even a video, a full video on its own. Character consistency video is a full video on its own. So if you watch to this point and you want me to make a video where characters are going to maintain consistency and all of that, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a full video for that. Okay, now at this point we are done generating our images, right? Now after generating your images, the next thing is to start creating your dialogues. Okay, ChatGPT is also going to give you your dialogue. If you want your video to be up to 30 minutes, up to 1 hour, 2 hours, it is possible. all you need to do is to tell ChatGPT to make your dialogue to be longer. Tell ChatGPT to make the dialogue to be longer so that there will be more words for you to copy and create your movie. So I'm going to go down now. I have my dialogue already. Now this is full dialogue script. Lagos almost finished her. This is the title. Lagos almost finished her. Now we have our scene 1. I have up to scene, let me see. Okay. I have up to scene 19. Okay, and we cannot be creating all this in 19 in this movie. I'm just going to create like 2 to 3 scenes for us so you can see how to do it, and with this you can create your own AI movie. Okay, so let's do the first scene. Okay, now the first scene is restless in the village. Now here, this is Amara talking to herself. She says, God, is this how my life would just be? Every day the same things, same struggle, same suffering. Now Amara looking at her phone, see my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment. Okay, so what you need to do is to first copy from scene 1. Copy from scene 1. Okay, you see where I copied from here to the same suffering. I'll just copy it. Now, one thing about AI movies is that, or AI tools, is that you don't have to copy a lot of words at the same time. If you copy a lot of words at the same time, it's not going to give you what you want. It will not give you what you want. It will start saying rubbish. It is AI. It cannot be perfect. You just have to use wisdom. Okay, you can see I copied from here to here so that the words are not going to be too long, so that it will not start misbehaving. So I'll just go to Grok right now. Now, for the images, created images by tapping edit image. But now if you want to start making the video, you're working with imaging. So I'm going to tap on imaging. So once I tap on imaging, I will come down here and select the picture of the person I want to talk. Click on animate photos. Okay, and then I'll select the picture of the person I want to speak. So this is the first picture of Amara, where Amara was talking to herself. Okay, once I click on the first picture, you come down here and then type to make a video. I'll just input the prompt of what she was saying. You see, it shows scene 1, restless in the village, and then I'll just click on hit. I'll just tap here. Okay, and then wait for it to generate till 200%. Once it is done generating, we are going to see what she have said. Okay, so it is generating. And one thing about Grok AI is that it is very fast. As long as your network is okay, it is very fast, and you even enjoy it more.
God, is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same suffering. God, is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same...
Now the question is, do you love this? If you don't love the way it appears, you want her to be sitting down, input it in your prompt. I don't like the way it came up. I'm going to do it again.
Life will just be every day the same thing.
I'm going to do it again. Come back, click on animate photos, select it again, and then let me input my prompt and see what my prompt actually has. Okay, they said Amara frustrated and tired. They did not say whether Amara was sitting down or standing anywhere. So I can now input and say Amara is sitting down thinking. I'll now say seated in their room, frustrated and tired. Okay, so now it will not show where she's standing. I will now click on send. See,
God, is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same suffering.
Now it still didn't show her sitting down. So just keep on resending until you get what you want, right? And before you even copy your prompt and paste, you can tell ChatGPT to add this, add that, whatever you want it to add, just be telling it to be adding it before you even start creating your movie. Okay?
God, Is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same suffering. God, is this how my life will just be? Every day the same thing, same struggle, same suffering.
Okay, I think we can work with this. Once you generate it, all you need to do is to download. Okay, download it. Okay, now the next thing. Now let's edit this part. Edit this part. Once you're editing it, don't remove the name, don't remove the instruction there, because that's what you're going to use. The AI is going to use to understand what you're looking. Okay, now I think this one has another instruction. I'm just copying the next part. This one has another instruction. It says Amara looking at her phone. So I think we need to delete this instruction here. Frustrated and tired. Now impute the next impute the next thing you copied. Now it says Amara looking at her phone, see my mates. Send it. Let's see what we have.
See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing. See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing. Enjoyment.
So it actually gives two options. So let me just skip. Okay, give two options. Now it says Amara looking at her phone. I'm now going to say show the people in her phone. You see, the first one we just read does not have the people showing in her phone. She was looking at people, so obviously our audience are supposed to see the people she's trying to talk about in her phone. So I now added Amara looking at her phone, show the people in her phone, that's so that we can see the people in her phone as well. Then send it again.
See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoying them everywhere, and me, nothing.
You can see she actually showed us the people in her phone, but her words were not clear. So you are going to regenerate it again until you are satisfied with the words.
Enjoying them everywhere.
Okay, this is AI for you. This is AI for you. You just have to regenerate until you get it. There is no perfect tool. Grok is even trying. I don't know why I'm hailing this Grok so much. I just love this tool, Jerry. So that is it. Just keep on regenerating until you get what you want, right?
See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing. See my mates.
It's still not giving us what we want. I'll
and me, nothing.
Again. I'll generate it again. Guys, it's really not easy. When you see people posting all these AI movies and you're enjoying it, you just need to at least comment, share the video, because there's a lot of efforts being put here. You can see all the hours I've spent trying to teach this, trying to imagine the hours I'll spend generating the full movies. Okay, this is just the tutorial. So always ensure you at least like the video. Please ensure to like this video, share it so that YouTube will show it to more people. Subscribe to my channel for more updates, guys. Thank you.
See my mates, soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing.
So guys, I think we've actually gotten what we want. So I'm just going to
mates,
download.
Soft life everywhere, enjoyment everywhere, and me, nothing.
So we are going to go back to our prompt and continue. So this is scene 2. Scene 2 has social media temptation. Amara murmuring to herself, look at this one, Dubai, this one is in Lekki, this one just bought the car. So we are going to copy from scene 2 and then stop here again. That's see Amara looking at her phone. So we are still going to maintain the same image. We are still going to maintain the same image, right? Okay, we are still talking about the same character with herself alone. So you just have to keep on working with this image, okay? So we are going to send and wait for what it's going to give us. See?
Look at this one, Dubai. This one is in Lekki. This one just bought car. Look at this one, Dubai.
Okay, now she's saying look at this one. She's supposed to be showing us in their phones. So you're also going to input that. Also impute that. murmuring to herself. Murmuring to herself. She points at young girls enjoying themselves themselves in Dubai and Lekki. Okay, from her phone. Okay, you see all the instructions I gave it, and all your instructions must be within the bracket. The bracket is for explaining is for explaining the expressions, right? So we'll send again. I hope you're taking note of everything I'm doing. This is how your movie is going to come out perfect, without flaws. Okay.
Look at this one, Dubai. This one is in Lekki. This one just bought car. Look at this one, Dubai. This one is in Lekki. This one just bought car.
Okay, this is beautiful. I'm just going to download it again. Now, we are now going to go back to the next instruction. Amara voice getting intense. What are they doing that I'm not doing? What is wrong with me? So I'm just going to copy this part again. Go back. Okay. Delete this part that we are done working with. Okay. Mute it and then hit generate. So let's wait for what we are going to see. I think everything is coming out together.
What are they doing that I'm not doing? What is wrong with me? What are they doing that I'm not doing? What is wrong with me?
Okay, that's it. We love that. So click on download again. So we'll now go. So guys, this video is already long already. We are really done with everything. All you need to do is to keep on generating, right? So this is Sophia's call. So let's just do the one for Sophia call. Okay, this is where Sophia calls her that she should come to Lagos. Okay, so at this point we are going to change the should we change the image? Let's change the image to another one. She's staying alone. Let's change it to this image here. We're going to remove all the images entirely. Click on animate photos again if you want to change the image, right? We're going to pick this one. Okay, now we've changed to another image of her. Okay, so just paste your prompt there. Now Sophia's call. Sophia on phone, smooth voice. Why Amara? Okay, I think we're supposed to use Sophia here. We're supposed to use Sophia. Cancel. It is Sophia that wants to call Amara. Okay, we're going to pick a picture of Sophia. We are going to pick a picture of Amara. So we're just going to select two of their pictures together. Select this and select this. Okay, so that they are together. This is dialogue conversation. Now, scene. Sophia on phone, smooth voice. Amara, why are you staying in that village? You're wasting your life. Okay, let's send and see what we are going to get. And if we don't get the right thing, we are going to reprompt it again. Let's see. Let's see, this one doesn't have audio. If it finished loading and it doesn't show where Amara is speaking her phone, then we are going to reprompt it to show where Amara picked up her phone.
Amara, why are you still in that village? You're wasting your life. Amara, why are you still in that village?
You're wasting your life.
Okay. Okay, now it only showed Amara. It did not show her friend Sophia. So we are just going to say show where Sophia the caller on a screen where she was calling Amara, and let Amara be shown in her room where she picked up her phone. Okay, so let's send. So let's see what we're going to have.
Amara, why are you still in that village? You're wasting your life.
Let's do
Why
it
are you
again. I think I love that actually, but let's do it again.
Amara,
Let's resend it again. The words were not complete. The word is not complete. The words were not complete.
Amara, why are you still in that village? You're wasting your life.
Okay, let's download this one. Okay, now let's look for the remaining. Now Shina said, Sophie, I've been thinking about you. How is Lagos? Copy it. So let's copy these two and see if it can give. Okay, Lagos is money, Lagos is life. Remember, we don't want to copy too much so that it won't say too much. Okay, just going to. Okay, this one. Let's remove the things you have said, but leave the instructions. Okay, shoot it again. Let's send. Okay, she actually spoke, but what she was saying was not clear. It's only Sophia's conversation that is clear. We're going to send it again.
I've been thinking about you. How is Lagos? Lagos is money. Lagos is life. I've been thinking about you. How is Lagos?
I love this. I'm just gonna save it. So let's go back and copy the remaining money, so let's copy the remaining conversation. He says Lagos is money, Lagos is life. We will not start from Sophia again, but at the prompt section in Grok, we're going to remove the part she have already spoken. Okay, just watch me. So you come back to this prompt, remove all these ones. Being Amara excited, you paste the one you have, and then just click on, just remove Lagos is money, Lagos is life, and start from if you're serious, come. She now says, if you're serious, come, I will help you. Amara, hopefully I'm coming, I can't continue like this. Just send. Let's see what we have, and I'm going to be stopping at this point, guys, so that we don't waste that time. The video is already too long. Just continue generating, and at the end of the day, you're going to come up with your own AI movie. And if you're able to come up with your own, come back to drop at the comment section. Let me know you were able to do your own AI movie with dialogue, consistent characters. Okay, and if you want me to buttress more on how to generate consistent characters, you can let me know. So let's see what we have.
If you're serious, come. I will help you. I'm coming. I can't continue like this. If you're serious, come. I will help you. I'm coming. I can't continue like this. If you're serious, come. I will help you. I'm coming. I can't continue like this.
Okay.
If you're serious, come. I will help you.
So guys, there you have it. How to create complete AI movies, long with consistent characters. Don't forget to check the prompt in the description box. And don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I have amazing videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.